This is a really fun choice board for teaching space and solar systems that your students can create. So the first choice is students will create a solar system scavenger hunt. So if they click this slide, it will take them to slide 2. Or if they click this choice, they are going to create a scavenger hunt. So what that means is they're going to design a solar system scavenger hunt and they have to include 10 different clues. This is a sample clue card. Students don't have to use this, but they could. And again, they're writing down hints about the solar system, different facts, and then people will have to use Google to explore and research these clues to try to figure out which of these planets that student is talking about. They will do 10 of the different clue cards. So they'll just duplicate, change the number, change the clue, and then they will design those clues for their classmate. And then you can give them to the classmates and they will have to figure out those different answers. Students will also need to create an answer key. So what I would just do, and I can go ahead and kind of add this in here, is they can have a table and maybe they have all the different clues that are on this game, and then they can just put like clue 1, and then they can put the answer for that clue, and then students can go through and again figure out those clues for this scavenger hunt. And the students right here, they'll have all of their different answers. Clue 2, and then they can maybe check them with their partner or after they play the game. That could be one idea for students to add into one of their choices. The next choice that students could do is using Tinker. So right here, if you click this link, there is a website to Tinker, and it has a lot of different resources for this activity. So what students are going to do is they are going to create a solar system, and they're going to code an animation of their solar system. And they have to include one interesting fact about the different planets. So again, students will come in here, they're able to design their solar system, and then they can add those different facts within. So adding some coding right into their learning. The next activity is creating a stop motion video. So students will create a stop motion video about solar system, and they're going to come in, they can pick these images, they're going to brainstorm for 10 minutes. After they brainstorm for 10 minutes, they are going to create their stop motion. And again, they could pull these different GIFs or photos onto their slides to explain the solar system to their classmates. After that, they'll publish their solar system and they'll have 2 minutes to do that. So again, students could create a scavenger hunt, they could use Tinker to code the solar system, or they can create a stop motion video to explain the solar system through stop motion.